Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's lesson, we will learn about present continuous or present progressive tense. First of all, we will see what is present continuous tense. The present continuous captures actions or events that are currently happening or unfolding in the present moment. It adds a dynamic quality to our language, vividly describing ongoing activities and emphasizing their immediacy and relevance. Present continuous paints a vivid picture of the here and now. Present continuous refers to present situations that are as short-term or temporary at present time. The action that goes on at the time of speaking. It's like a live update of what's happening. It refers to the existence of a situation or state of affairs which is not completed yet. It's like catching someone in the act. The action is in progress. It's like capturing a snapshot of what's currently going on. The verbs that are used in present continuous have ing form at the end, like running, eating, or playing. If we draw a contrast of present continuous tense with simple present tense, we can say that simple present shows the action or situation that are long-term or permanent, or that are universal truths. But in present continuous tense, the action is temporary and it is in progress during the time of speaking. Now let's see what type of action is described in present continuous tense. The action is going on or in progress. It means the action is not completed yet. When the action and the act of speaking occur at the same time, means when the speaker is describing any event, that event is taking place at the same time when the speaker is talking about it. The action starts in the present time and it is still continued at the time of speaking. Again, it means that the action is going on, it is not completed yet. We can describe the type of action with the help of following diagram. Consider that this circle is the present time frame and the action is taking place at this point and the action is continued, it is not completed. Now we will see the sentence structure of present continuous tense. First of all, we will describe the sentence structure of simple sentence. In simple sentence, we have a subject, then there are the helping verbs is, are, am, the first form of verb with ing, and at the end the object is used. Is used with singular nouns, are is used with plurals, and am is used with I. The examples are, the sun is setting over the horizon. Here the sun is a singular noun, that's why is used with the sun. Waves are crashing against the rocky shore. Waves are plural, so the helping verb are is used with waves. The orchestra is performing a breathtaking symphony. Orchestra is a singular noun, that's why is used. Workers are diligently constructing the skyscraper. Children are laughing and playing in the park. Raindrops are gently falling from the heaven. Now let's see the sentence structure of negative sentences. In negative sentences, subject is followed by helping verbs is, are, am, then we add not, and then first form with ing and object. The examples are, the sun is not setting over the horizon. Waves are not crashing against the rocky shore. The orchestra is not performing a breathtaking symphony. Workers are not diligently constructing the skyscraper. Children are not laughing and playing in the park. Raindrops are not gently falling from the heaven. Now let's have a look on the sentence structure of interrogative sentences. In interrogative sentences, we bring the helping verb at the start of the sentence, then we add subject, first form of verb, object, and question mark. For example, is the sun setting over the horizon? Are waves crashing against the rocky shore? Is the orchestra performing a breathtaking symphony? Are workers diligently constructing the skyscraper? Are children laughing and playing in the park? Are raindrops gently falling from the heavens? In all these sentences, the helping verbs are brought at the start of the sentence. The sentence structure of negative interrogative sentences is helping verbs is, are, am, subject, not, first form of verb, object, and question marks. Is the orchestra not performing a breathtaking symphony? Are workers not diligently constructing the skyscraper? Are children not laughing and playing in the park? Are raindrops not gently falling from the heavens? The sentence structures of all the types of sentences of present continuous tense can be represented by using this diagram. So that's all about today's video. If you like this video, please share it. If you have any suggestions, please write them in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.